Today, I'll be talking about something super simple but incredibly powerful. You heard me right. This YouTube growth hack is powerful but super simple to do. This tip is simply called commenting. Commenting on other creators' videos after watching. Yes, dropping a thoughtful comment after watching a video can actually help grow your channel, get you views, and even new subscribers. Please stay still to the end because I will share how commenting on people's videos after watching can actually get you noticed and drive traffic to your channel. You might ask, why does commenting on people's video matter? Let's be real, YouTube is a social platform, not just a video posting site. Engagement is key, and commenting is one of the best ways to get noticed by the creator and their audience. Now, here is how it works. When you comment or leave a valuable comment after watching a video, and your comment is engaging, the creator might notice your comment and pin your comment at the top of the comment section. And when people visit that video, they will definitely see your comment, go through your comment, and from there they might likely click on your profile photo and visit your channel to see what you have to offer, thereby creating visibility and gaining new subscribers. Because once your comment is pinned by the creator, your comment will remain at the top, and anybody that visits that video will definitely see your comments. Commenting on people's video after watching also leads to the algorithm being boosted. It boosts the algorithm because YouTube loves engagement. The more a particular video is being engaged or there is an interaction going on in the comment section, YouTube will definitely push that video out for recommendation. So when you comment on a particular video, you are helping the creator and also bringing visibility to yourself, because the more people visit that video, the more they get to see your thoughtful comment. From there, they can click on your profile photo to visit your channel. I will use a real life example of myself. I made a comment on Instagram because this comment thing is not just on YouTube, it also helps in other platforms. I made a comment on Instagram. I replied to a comment. Yes, I replied to a comment, and my comment was very detailed. I replied to a comment on a particular post, not my comment, another creator's comment. I noticed that comment was getting likes. It was getting likes because Instagram kept sending notification. And from there, I started noticing that my followers were growing. Not my Instagram page for my YouTube channel, but my personal Instagram page. So I noticed I started gaining more followers. I woke up to about 10 followers. The next day, I saw 5 followers. This has never happened because that Instagram page was just like dormant. This has never happened before. So within a week, I gained almost 100 followers without pushing for growth or anything. I noticed because I was just active that week. I commented on some posts. I left comment on some posts, and I noticed that I was getting followers. I think within a week, something that has never happened before. I gained more than 100 followers. I was shocked. It was when I came across a video here on YouTube where she said that leaving a thoughtful comment after watching a particular video will also create visibility and subscribers for you. That was when I remembered that, oh, this was what really happened, because I left a comment. That those few weeks I've left comment on different posts, and I noticed new followers were coming and people were liking my comment, people were liking my reply. I was getting notification, people were just liking my comment and also liking my reply. Even here on YouTube, I left a comment on a particular creator's video post, and someone said, oh, I saw your comment on so place. That was why I clicked on your profile photo to come here, and the person encouraged me to continue creating videos. You see, the person subscribed and also encouraged me to continue creating videos, and this person has been watching my videos. Not just this person, like not just one person. It was after watching this video I said, okay, so this can also contribute to my channel growth. That means I have to take it more serious. Commenting on people's video also helps build relationship. Yes, it builds relationship because when you comment consistently, a creator might notice your name and likely check your channel. From there, they will give you a shout out because you've been a consistent supporter. And the creators' audience, whenever they come and see your comment, they might start getting curious to know this person that's always leaving a comment. That means if I also engage with this person will be engaging with me. They might get curious, click on your profile photo to watch what you have to offer. From there, you gain new subscriber and also new audience. That is why commenting reasonably, not just leaving emojis, matters. Now you may ask, what is the right way to comment? What can I comment to get the audience attention? One thing you should note is that not all comments get equal attention. If you just go to someone's video and comment, nice video, check out my channel, you drop an emoji and just throw any comment there, stop it, because it's the fastest way of being ignored or even flagged as a spam. Here are some tips to drop a thoughtful comment. You can drop a comment on something specific about the video you just watched. For example, you can say, your editing at so time. Let's say your editing at 3 minutes 20 seconds was smooth. How were you able to achieve that? That is a comment. You don't need to write an episode just because you want to drop a comment. You can also go ahead to add value to the video or topic you just watched. You can say, I have tried similar methods, but I noticed that trying XYZ method worked better and faster. You can also give it a try. People might see it and say, okay, what is that XYZ method? Let me also try it. They might click on your profile just to keep up with you, subscribe to your channel, and also get some information from you. You can also add humor in the comment section. They comment like, wow, I can see in the comment section that people have been trying this method and they are getting it right. I've tried several times, but not getting it right. Oh, what kind of head did I bring to this world? People love humor, and when they see such comments, you are likely to draw attention to yourself. So might go ahead to click and also subscribe or even watch what you have to offer. Now you can see how it works. When you leave reasonable and thoughtful comments after watching a particular video, people will definitely click on your profile picture here on YouTube to see what you have to offer. When they find out that your channel is valuable, it also offers value, they will definitely subscribe and also keep viewing your channel. I'm a testimony to that. I've not gotten to my 1,000 subscribers, but I've gotten people from videos that I left comment. And there's a particular person that have been consistent in watching my video. His name is Bolu Vibe. He's also a creator here on YouTube. I will leave his channel link in this video description and also in the comment section. I know he will definitely leave a comment on this video. Please, when you see him, please subscribe to his channel and also follow up. He has a lot to offer. He's been one person that has been encouraging me. I only met him here on YouTube. He came to my channel through a comment I left in another creator's video. This guy has been offering value. Please support him. He's a young boy that is pushing it out there. Please give him all the support he needs. He will definitely leave a comment in this video once I drop it. Kindly subscribe to his channel, and also you can go through his videos. He has a lot to offer. So now, before we leave, here is my challenge for you. For the next 7 days, yes, 7 days, kindly leave 5 thoughtful comments on any video you watch that is within your niche. Then after the 7 days challenge, track your subscribers and see the number of new subscribers you were able to gain from the comment section. Also start this challenge by leaving a comment here, and I'll watch and also leave a comment in your video. Make sure you watch the video to the end and leave a thoughtful comment that is related to the video you just watched. Now kindly comment below and let me know if you are up to this challenge. If this video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also leave a comment. Don't forget to hit on the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you for staying to the end. See you in my next video. And don't forget the 7 days challenge. Make sure your comments are thoughtful and related to the video.